Now the first step is to go to system settings, and then go to privacy and security. Scroll down, privacy and security. Now find local network in the list. Find local network, click on local network. Now over here you have to turn on everything which is related to printer. So in my case it's Canon, so make sure that it is on. Also all the entries related to printer, you can turn it on, and then when you go to printer and scanner, you should be able to see your printer, or you can even add your printer and then you can check. This has worked for many users, so it might work for you. Next step is you can open Finder, and then once you open Finder, you can press Shift Command and G, and then over here you can just type in, you can just copy and paste this. This is provided in the video description. And then you can select this, make a double click and delete everything over here. So I have only one log, access log. You can make a right click and you can delete it, move to bin. Enter your password, Mac password over here. Now once done, you can empty your bin and then go back to add printers menu. Again, you should be able to see your printer, or you can add your printer and then check. Now if the issue is when you try to print a PDF file, then you can open PDF in preview and then you can check. If not working, then you can uninstall and reinstall Adobe Acrobat. Now for this, you can uninstall Adobe Acrobat. So you can go to Finder, application, find Adobe Acrobat. You can just uninstall it. You can move to the bin and then uninstall it, empty bin, and then you can check. Now if you're using Creative Cloud users, you can uninstall it from the Creative Cloud. Instead of dragging the app to the trash bin, instead of moving it to the bin, you can just uninstall it from the Creative Cloud and then you can reinstall it again. So you can install the Adobe Acrobat and then you can check. So for many users, uninstalling and reinstalling Adobe Acrobat has worked, and then check. Next step is to turn off Wi-Fi on the printer. Now this has also worked for many users. So turn off the Wi-Fi on your printer and then you can turn it on again. And once you turn it on, you can go to printers and scanners, and then you should be able to see a printer, or you can add a printer and then check. Next step is to update Office. So you can update your Microsoft Office, update your Word. This has also worked for many users. Or if you have the Office from store, you can go to updates, and if you see any update for Office, you can update it. Next step is to HP printer user, install HP printer app and operate from there. This has also worked for many users, so it might work for you. You can go to HP, you can install this HP print and support, open in App Store. You can install it and you can operate from there. This has also worked for many users. Now the last step is to uninstall and reinstall the printer driver and set up the printer again. So uninstall it, restart your PC, go to your printer manufacturer website. So if you have HP computer, go to HP. Canon, for Canon you can go to Canon website, select your model number, install the latest printer driver, and then you have to set up your printer once again, and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get the printer working. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.